In this video, I will show you how to restrict and unrestrict someone in Messenger. First, I'm texting myself from a different account to show if I can text. As you can see, I am currently able to text without restrictions. Now if we want to see less of the people we want without blocking them, we will restrict them. This action will not notify the people you have restricted that you have restricted them. Now we enter our conversation with the person we want to restrict. Then we click on the eye icon in the upper right. Now we can restrict whoever we want by pressing restrict under the privacy section. We click on restrict and we have restricted the person we want. Now you can click and restrict to remove this restriction. If your device does not have the restrict option, you need to download the old version of the Messenger application. I put the Messenger old version link in the description section for those who may encounter this problem. You can download Messenger from there and use their restriction option. Here's what we need to do if we want to see the list of people we've restricted. Click on our profile icon. Then we enter the privacy option in the preferences section. Here we need to enter restricted accounts. Now we can look at the messages from the people we have restricted from here and remove their restrictions if we want. I hope this solution solved your problem.